Hello, my name is Sylvia Anton, and the name of my business is The Holistic Garden. Today I'm going to show you how to make a nutritional shake using sea moss gel. Sea moss looks like this, and it grows in the Atlantic Ocean, all in different places in the world. It is a superfood that contains 92 out of 102 minerals our bodies need every day, among other things. It is just a powerhouse. It is processed in a variety of different ways, and today we're going to use it in the form of gel. This is going to make your any kind of smooth dish smoother. So what I'm going to do is add a can of full-fat coconut milk into a blender. And this is going to be enough for 3 servings. So I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sea moss gel. This sea moss gel smells like the ocean. It's really nice, and if you need to hide it in a dish, it's easy to hide. But when it comes through in certain dishes, it's very nice. It's just kind of in the background, and it's like, wow, what is that? And anybody who's been to the beach loves that smell. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of matcha green tea powder. Matcha green tea is also a powerful nutrient, and it gives you a sustained energy all day long, kind of like you're not wired, but just a nice sustained energy, and it's just a very nice thing, and it tastes good with the sea moss gel. I typically use a TLS, which is a brand I have, vanilla protein powder. Use whatever protein powder you want. I can't vouch for the taste of any of them but this one. But I only have chocolate on hand, so I'm just going to add some vanilla extract, and that should do the trick. Because you just want the vanilla taste. It's already got a lot of nutrients in it. So I'm going to add a tablespoon. Then I'm going to add just a handful of ice and a little bit of honey. And always use local honey. It's just best. You want to support local. And just give it It gets very thick, so you want to add some filtered water, and you just can do it by however thick you want it, thick or thin. But sometimes these things get clogged up, even a Vitamix. That's a nice consistency right there. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, once you get it blended up like this, you're just going to serve it up. I think it looks nice in a stemware. I mean, you put the work into it, you might as well make it look good. And it tastes like the ocean. It's really, really nice. It contains 92 out of 102 of the minerals our body needs every day, among other things. It's just a powerhouse. You just have to give it a try. Nice. That is so refreshing.